For deposit purpose, click on My. Click on Recharge. Click on USDT to deposit your fees. This is your address. You can copy the address and go towards your Binance app. Open your Binance app. Click on Wallet. Click on Withdraw. Select USDT. Select Send via Crypto. Paste the link you have copied from your account. Select Network. Amount. You can use your amount. You can write your amount here. I am writing $10. Click on Withdrawal. 1% will be your network fees. Click on Confirm. Complete your verification process. A code will be received. Copy the code. And paste here. After completion of verification from email, now you can verify from phone number also. Send on Get Code, WhatsApp. A code will be received. Copy the code and click here. Withdrawal processing. Now take the screenshot. After completing the process, you will find that your deposit will be come here. Now you can see that your deposited has been received here. You can see from here also, and now you can go back. When you have recharged, your scores reached from 1 to 75. Congratulations.